Hello and welcome. My name is Vickie-Marie and I'm going to be taking you through a 10-minute yoga stretch. Today we're going to explore a little bit of Dancing Warrior series, and we're going to begin to start our practice within a kneeling position. So when you're ready, beginning to come on to the knees, letting the sit bones come onto the heels. If necessary, you can have a brick or a block between the sit bone and the heels. Beginning to lengthen the spine. Just having the hands loose in our lap. We're going to begin to take the arms up overhead. Gaze can follow if that's comfortable for the neck. As we exhale, beginning to release that left hand down towards the earth as I face you, aspiring to mirror you. We're going to begin to tilt over to the side. Exhaling, slowly releasing that right hand back down to the earth. Left arm going up and then maybe over. Exhaling, coming down. We're going to begin to come up, inhaling the arms up overhead, and we'll begin to cactus, just opening up the chest slightly. Taking the arms up overhead and slowly coming back to kneeling. We'll return back to that side stretch. Right hand coming down, left arm up. And then slowly releasing that left hand, inhaling the arms up. One more cactus, opening up the front of the body. You can take the arms up overhead. We're going to begin to transition to your tabletop position of all fours. I'm just going to change my angle. So from our tabletop position, we're going to begin to take our left leg behind us. We're going to begin to experience or explore a modified side plank. So beginning to take that right leg out to the side, right hand underneath. Beginning to take that left arm up overhead. Gaze can follow. Exhaling, releasing that left hand down. Coming back to your tabletop position. We're going to begin to take that right leg behind us. Kickstanding that left hand to the side, left foot to the side, taking our right arm up overhead. Exhaling, releasing, coming back to our table. We're going to begin to tuck the toes, lifting the knees, setting the sit bones up and back. First downward dog. So we might pedal, bending one knee and then the other. And then slowly settling in. We're going to begin to take our right foot into a three-legged dog. So bring the weight into that left foot, lifting that right heel. Maybe the foot goes towards the back of your space or up towards the sky. We're going to begin to invite this right foot between the hands, taking the gaze forward, bending the knee towards the nose, and then planting that right foot between the hands. Taking any organic movement here. Maybe rocking back and forth or side to side. Then we're going to begin to come into a warrior two, pivoting that left foot. Inhaling the arms up overhead. Now we're concentrating on that right knee being bent, palms down. We're going to begin to explore a little bit of a dancer warrior. So this is a take on reverse. So flipping that right hand, arm going up overhead. Left hand can stay on the thigh, maybe to the navel, or maybe to that right hip, maybe tilting back. Just exploring, see what works best for you today. Exhaling, coming back through warrior two, getting the stance first. And we're going to come into side angle, beginning to invite that right forearm onto the thigh, left hand to the hip, sky, or if you've got space, upper arm near the temple. Exhaling, warrior two. Flipping the right palm, coming into your dancing warrior. Exhaling, warrior two. Just finding your own movement, own rhythm. I'm going to do that one more time, warrior two. Flipping the palm. Exhaling, warrior two. We're going to begin to transition back to our three-legged and then downward dog. So beginning to release the hands, framing that front foot, runner's lunge. Exhaling, sliding or stepping that right foot back, three-legged dog. And downward dog. One round of breath here. We'll begin to lift that left foot up, your three-legged dog. Beginning to bend the knee in towards the nose as we begin to invite that left foot in between the hands, runner's lunge. Beginning to pivot that right foot, we're coming into the warrior two. Checking that that back arm's as high as the front. And we'll take that dancing warrior series, flipping the left palm, coming up, maybe that right hand stays on the thigh, navel, or maybe to the hip. Exhaling, warrior two. And then your side angle. Exhaling back to warrior two. Remembering my cues, maybe fast or slow, go at your rhythm. Dancing warrior. Warrior two. And side angle. One last round. Warrior two. Dancing warrior. And side angle. We'll begin to come back through our warrior two. And then we're going to begin to transition back to our runner's lunge. Sliding or stepping that left foot back to your three-legged dog. And then downward dog. Beginning to release the knees to the earth, keeping the toes tucked. We'll begin to walk the hands to the knees. And we're going to begin to take the arms up overhead. And cactus. Beginning to take the arms back up overhead, returning back to our tabletop position. We're going to begin to take this left leg behind us. Right hand can come forward. Beginning to stay here, beginning to lift. Coming into your tiger. Slowly bending that left knee, right hand can stay where it is, maybe going to the side, or maybe grabbing hold. Gently beginning to release back to your tiger. Right hand coming to the earth, left knee. We're just going to begin to take this on the other side, taking that right leg behind you, walking the left fingertips. Staying here, beginning to lift. Bending that right knee if you so choose. Left arm to the side, maybe going back. Exhaling, beginning to release back to your tiger. Taking the left hand, right knee down. And just slowly beginning to come into a child's pose. Letting the sit bones come down towards the heels, fingertips going forward. Taking 2 rounds of breath here, sighing through the mouth. Slowly beginning to walk the hands back to our knees. as we come back to a kneeling position. Taking the hands to the heart and gently bowing the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in your well-being and your practice. Thank you so much for taking this 10-minute yoga flow with me. I hope you have an amazing day. If you'd like to check out any of my other videos or playlist, check them out in the description link, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.